O breath of the beginning, stir again amongst the stars. Let the darkness part where the first light was born. Let the heavens remember and the earth awaken. The children of the creation return to the sky,
but their hearts will remember.
not as wanderers, but as keepers of the memory. May love guide their voyage and truth light their way.
Let them be hidden.
The story begins again, and the cosmos listens.
We will remember them.
We will send them messages.
Introduce a new motions, another crowd for Ninder moves, another car.
There was peace once.
Just white balloons. We are the children of the stars, bound by the light, no matter how far. Through
We created them to save us all.
The cosmos is calling. We answer again.
We sent them to Eradium to be safe.
It would take a long time for a Carian to find them amongst the millions of worlds.
Leave our marks on history.
We sent out decoys, lures, and fakes.
Story told, a dream of light, a heart.
Shouldn't they had survived?
We are the children of the stars.
They found amazing parents to shelter and
I will not
help
let
them.
chaos rule the stars. A
Meanwhile,
cry of defiance that split the heavens.
We are the
Carian rose against her kin, claiming that the gift of free will had doomed the creation. The gods stood against her, but her storm consumed worlds.
A part I will not let chaos rule the stars.
Rangiatea, then you will rule an empty sky.
The cosmos calls.
they fought, but a Carian was tricky.
Speaks our names. A thread of light. A timeless flame.
She attacked when they were weak.
We are the children of the stars. Bound by the light, no matter how far through endless night.
She was relentless.
The cosmos is calling, we answer again. Through the black seas.
She took the golden orb and cross.
We leave our marks on history. Each star we touch, a story told, a dream
And ripped the crown from his head.
of gold. And when the stars begin to fade,
Seeming to be in full control,
echoes linger. We are more than dust and stone. The universe, our endless hope.
Flew them off to the Vault City.
Now this place is mine, she smirched.
In the hush between breaths of creation, the conqueror dreams she has conquered all. Yet, light is not destroyed. It waits beneath the marble heavens, beneath the silence she calls peace. Something stirs, a pulse beneath the swirl of time. 3 hearts, small as stars on dawn, beat softly in the dark. The world above sleeps in its glittering lie. The world beneath begins to
A
see.
vision of 3 children haunted her.
And the first light listens.
We are the children light, no matter how far through endless night. We carry the flame, the cosmos is calling, we answer again.
The pods are on their way.
Astronomers watch the skies.
They followed the signs.
They will forget who they are.
Three children alive, impossible.
Bound by the light, no matter how far through endless night. We carry the flame.
Impossible things are what we live for.
Crown of dawn, crown of ash. Time shall turn, empire.
No one knew from where they came.
They were named Genesis, Cryton, and Meridium. Genesis mapping stars by instinct. Cryton crafting machines from scraps. Meridium dreaming blueprints no one could understand.
How did you know how to do that?
Reborn beyond despair. Eradium sleeps.
You just know.
Eradium sings. Life unfolds.
They grew quickly, minds sparking with knowledge no one had taught them.
A meteor storm lighting the night sky.
The first light stirs beneath its feet.
Each child gazes upward, drawn to the same light and says, "The vault's dark."
My child might remember the light.
They stir in the night. All dreaming the same dream.
She's calling me. From the stars. Meridium, non framome.
She wears the crown of fallen flame. The cosmos is calling.
They are going to train you. Learning to any astronauts. Learning balance. Piloting small crafts. Game for logic and coordination. Using telepathy and mind control. practicing the skills practically.
Eradium sleeps, Eradium sings, life unfolds.
And online.
おー、いろり。So in a storm.
When darkness fills, cosmos is calling, we answer again. The false light stirs beneath its feet. The bloom will break, the stone will cry, and dawn will tear the velvet
The bloom begins to burn beneath the quiet of leaves, beneath the long sigh of years. The flame returns. Awake, children, awaken. Let the light in you burn